something a little bit different. It's gonna be my skincare routine, what I usually use every day. I'm not a person that usually breaks out, only when I'm on my menstrual. Cleanser and face wash. I'm gonna go in with the Drunk Elephant Jelly Cleanser. You add this much will be enough. I like to wet my hands just a little bit, just so my hands could be a little bit damp. And I like to work it in my skin and let it bubble up. And rinse it out. It's best not to rub on your face and pat. You have to pat down on your face because you don't want to get any wrinkles, and bring down your face. You want your face to go up. As you can tell, I have slight bags, not enormous bags, but I would still like to fix that. Elephant Pulpatide cream. This is a moisturizer, and you don't need much. See, I just like to use the weakest finger, which is the ring finger, and just add to the perimeters of my face. And watch clearly how I rub it into my face. Like I said, you're not gonna pull down, you're gonna go up because you wanna plump up the face, and you don't want any fine lines, you don't want any wrinkles. Young people that are my age, we are young, but we also do have to protect and secure our skin that we have right now, because it's not gonna last forever. So in order to do that, you have to make sure that skincare is a must in your life. Focus under the eyes. Honestly, this is the best banana eye cream that I have ever seen, and it also honestly works like immediately. You will see a difference. It's the Henrikson Bright Banana Eye Cream. And now literally this one, just a tad bit, goes a very long way. So this is how it is, this is how it looks. What I like to do is just take my pinky and just dab. You're just gonna dab underneath the eye. And like I said, you need to like really treat underneath your eye really lightly. Now, you continue to work it slowly underneath your eye, because it has collagen in it and it instantly changes above the eye. Now this is very important for those who use heavy eyeshadow on a daily, because you do not want to have droopy eyes, you know. And that's why I really started getting into eye creams, because I've been doing lots of heavy eyeshadow and I want to protect, you know, my eyes, my eyelids, so they don't get all droopy. And honestly, it brightens up and it's just automatic difference. Go in with something from my country, which is Haiti, and this is a brand that I've been supporting for a minute now. It's called Baby Essentials, and Queen Bee, because you know me. This has sesame oil, zinc oil, vitamin A, D, and E. So basically, what I like to do is, since I already have an oily skin. I have oily skin. I'm just gonna go in areas, like I'm just gonna take a couple of drops, not much, and I'm gonna apply that here to the lowest parts of my skin and a tad bit on my forehead. You understand? I'm not gonna add where I recently added the banana cream, mostly where I moisturized before. So here we're gonna push up. You're gonna push up. Now these products, if you live in the United States, you can find them on Instagram. I'll link everything below. And they deliver, and yeah. Now I also like to the residue on my lips and use that as like a lip balm, but it really moisturizes everything. That's pretty much it. You're looking, quite hydrated, and your skin is healthy. And yeah. Thank you guys for watching.